Reading predictively is a crucial skill that enhances comprehension and engagement with the text. This strategy involves using clues from the text to anticipate what will happen next or what will be discussed. It is particularly useful when dealing with informational texts, which often contain complex ideas and detailed information. Introduction to predictive reading. Predictive reading is not just about guessing what comes next, it's about making informed predictions based on evidence from the text. This process starts even before you begin reading the actual content. By looking at the title, subtitles, and any accompanying images or graphs, you can start to form hypotheses about the text's content and structure. For instance, a chapter titled, "The Impact of Global Warming," might lead you to predict discussions on climate change effects, scientific data supporting global warming, and possibly debates around this issue. Engaging with the text. As you read, keep your predictions in mind and adjust them as you gather more information. This active engagement with the text makes reading a dynamic and interactive process. It also helps in better retaining the information because you are constantly summarizing and questioning the content as you go. For example, consider a passage from an informational text on the history of the Internet. The development of the Internet began in the 1960s as a government project to build a communication network that could withstand nuclear attacks. This network, initially called ARPANET, used packet switching to allow multiple computers to communicate on a single network. From this passage, you can predict that the next section might discuss the evolution of ARPANET into the modern Internet or delve into the technical aspects of packet switching. This prediction encourages you to read with specific questions in mind, enhancing focus and comprehension. Analyzing predictions. Let's analyze the effectiveness of predictive reading with the previous example. If the subsequent text discusses the expansion of ARPANET to educational institutions and its eventual public accessibility, your prediction would be confirmed, reinforcing your understanding of the text structure and key developments in Internet history. However, if the next section instead focuses on different technologies emerging from the same era, this might prompt a revision of your initial predictions and encourage a deeper dive into the text to understand these other technologies. This constant hypothesis testing not only improves comprehension but also critical thinking skills, as you are evaluating the text based on the predictions and adjusting your understanding accordingly. In conclusion, reading predictively is a powerful tool in navigating through informational texts. It transforms passive reading into an active investigation, where each piece of information serves as a clue to unlocking more comprehensive knowledge. By practicing predictive reading, students can enhance their ability to understand and retain complex information, making them more adept at handling academic and real-world informational challenges. We encourage students to practice this skill by starting with clear, manageable texts and gradually moving to more complex materials. Regular practice will help them hone their ability to anticipate and connect ideas, which is invaluable in academic and professional settings. This has been a production of D&J Designs and MathMan 1962. If you want to be informed when new videos are uploaded, click the subscribe button. Adult education instructional materials are available at https://edtech.dnjdesigns.org.